with the cell phone, the VHS camcorder. As you can see, turn the video light off, see what it looks like. Okay. Look into the viewfinder. As you can see. Yeah, still looks pretty good. Okay. That's what a VHS camcorder looks like for the new people that don't know or never saw one. So we're gonna pause this and play it back, see what it looks like. Okay, take two. Here's the camcorder. We're just gonna play back, see how the test video looks like. Let's check this out. We rewound it already, and looks like we got success. Pause. Hit stop for a minute. Okay, and we're back. Push play and see what happens. Okay. Playing better now. It's not bad for a camera that's 22 years old, maybe longer. Back in 1985, replaced the microphone, replaced the focus kit, cleaned the viewfinder, serviced the heads, reconditioned the body. As it says, digital effects, autofocus. It's pretty cool. So yeah, we can chalk this camera up to a win. Yeah, I gotta keep it in my archive collection. Kind of nice to have it around. And cheers, that's all she wrote.